Baloch and Sindhi are brothers through countries and our case is same. Our enemy is same and our struggle is on same pattern. Since occupation of Punjab in 1947, Baloch, Sindhis, Pashtun, Saraiki, Gilgiti and Kashmiris are paying our big cost of colonization. We lost our national, geographical, political, economical, and cultural freedom. Balochistan and Sindh produced 95 of natural resources of Punjab. Takes all is the economical advantage. It is violation of international human rights norms, but no one here wise. In Sindh, recently more than 50,000 acres of land allotted of Pakistani army illegally established Beria town to convert Sindhis in minority and forcibly conversion of Sindhi Hindu girls by state supervision. We are looted in every field of life. We appeal international community to hear our voice with sympathy. We all oppressed nation are genociding also more than 10,000 up Baloch killed after 2003 to in 23 years 20 years. More than 20,000 Baloch are missing by Pakistani agencies and forces. Balochistan is more affected than Gaza. We appeal international community to pay attention on this Baloch genocide. Same situation in Sindh since 2000 to 2023. In 23 years, around 9,000 political workers are kidnapped, around 80 are killed. More than 150 Sindhi political workers are until missing. Our Pashtun friends are also paying same cost in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Thousands of people killed in still missing. We condemn then the attack on the Pashtun Tahfuz movement leader Manzoor Pashtun and his arrest. Gilgitis are also occupied like they want their different national identity but they not giving yet. We demand their rights as per United Nations. Our Kashmiri friends are occupied in two parts beyond the border line. They sacrifices unlimited bodies and a lot of number is still missing. We support free Kashmir. We born free. We want be life free. It is written in United Nations, chartered and as per international law. We all are followers of Saint James Sayed, Nawab Khairbakhsh Khan Mari, Bacha Khan, and other our icons. We are their message and hopefully we will fulfill their dreams one day. This is the time to unite me all. As the chairman of GSN Freedom Movement, I would like to support any unity and struggle together. We were together, we are together, and we will together. GS Hindu Desh, GS INGM, sir. Thank you.